Hey everyone, it's Caden Kesterson here with another episode of Tiny Home Tuesday, where this week we're showcasing the model known as the Travis. So why call it the Travis? Because this house belongs at Lake Travis. This is so modern, this is clear, this is crystal clear to be your new home. Guys, if you check out this porch railing right here, we've got the black metal railing going all around here. And then as you guys look up, you'll see that we did the shed roof style on here. You'll see it's high over here, but look at the height of this roof right up here, guys. That is the tallest roof that we have ever had on a park model. It is gorgeous, it gives it character, it gives it pizzazz. Then as you look right back over here, you'll see we got the glass door with blinds. We've got the windows right here. We've got the windows up above. Again, guys, this house belongs on the lake. You've got windows, overlook your property. You've got the porch. You need some lakefront property for this house. Follow me inside. Now that we've made it inside, guys, you can see what we have going on inside of this park model. You've got a huge living room inside here. If you follow me right over here, we've got a full-size sofa. We've got it where you've got the little L shape working on here. You can do it with 2 love seats. You can do it with recliners. You can do it with a love seat and recliners. Guys, you've got more room than you can handle in this park model. And as we follow me right through here, you'll see that we've got this gorgeous, gorgeous countertop right here for your kitchen space. We've got the mosaic backsplash, the gray stained cabinets, all real wood doors. You've got the gorgeous stainless farm sink. And again, guys, we're talking about being at the lake. You've got a window right here, overlook your lakefront property. Guys, you've got everything you need in this house. Now, if we change gears right here, you'll see we've got the island. This is on wheels. So again, since we're talking about being at the lake, roll this thing out onto your front porch area. You've got an outdoor bar. You've got an outdoor kitchen. You've got outdoor entertainment for your lakefront property. And guys, right behind this door here, this is your washer and dryer space. That way you can close it off. It blocks some noise, it blocks some other stuff, so that way you don't have to worry about hearing that as you're enjoying your TV or as you're outside enjoying the lake. Now if you follow me this way, you'll see that we've got the microwave right here. We've got the smooth top stove. We love our smooth tops right here. We've got the fridge. It's all strapped in. It ain't going nowhere until it gets to your property. And as you look right through here, so you can see right here, you've got your 48-inch shower. We've got 2 seats here. Ladies, this is for you shaving your legs. Guys, hey, you got a seat. You want to enjoy it, get your little escape place, you've got it right there. As you follow me right in here, you see you've got your master bedroom here. We've got a queen-size bed here. And again, guys, we love doing headboards. Look at this headboard. We've got real wood. This is attached to the wall. This ain't going anywhere. We've got the metal accent right here. That way, guys, you can pop it out. You can give us some colors. And again, we're talking about being at the lake. Who wouldn't want to wake up on this bed, look outside your window, rolling over in the morning, and seeing your lake? Guys, this is what this house is designed for. This is what you need to buy it for, a lakefront property. As you look right here, we've got our barn door here with the closet. This slides back and forth so you can tie it off for you. Get you some space in there for all your clothes, all your goodies. And as you follow me this way, what better yet than the loft space to complete your lake house? We've got the stairs going right up here. You've got a huge loft space upstairs. Guys, you can go with the wood stairs here. You can go with stairs with drawers. You've got a ton of choices that you can choose from. Guys, make this your own. Take this floor plan, make it your own, get it how you want. Now, I do want to point out some other stuff to you guys. If y'all look right up here at the ceiling, you'll see again, we're talking about the shed roof as we were looking at on the outside of the home. Give us some character out there. You'll see it starts really low right over here in the corner, and it goes all the way up. All the way up, guys. This is what you need to have, guys. This is what needs to go out on your lakefront property. Get you some character, get you some modern house, get you something for you and your family. Remember, like, comment, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any questions at all, drop a little comment, shoot us a message. We'll help you any way we can. Have a great day.